Hi, my name is Keyshawn, and I'm a program assistant at BeAM. Today, we will be looking at the various types of support structures in Cura, a software used for 3D printing. The first thing I'm going to do is open my project by clicking the file icon and then selecting my project and pressing open. Supports are an additional feature that you may have to add to your 3D print if it has certain overhanging features such as this bridge. Overhanging parts are sections of the model that float in midair. In this case, you must print a support structure under the model to prevent the plastic from falling down. The 3D printer can then accurately print out your model without the material warping or deforming. An important number to keep in mind when considering whether or not to include support structures in your 3D print is 60. The general rule is that if your project has an overhang or extending features that is at an angle of 60 degrees or greater, you need to have support structures to ensure a successful print. The letter Y is a useful letter to visualize this concept, as the angles of the two lines are just enough that no support structure is needed. Any angle larger than this will need a support structure. In our bridge model here, we have several areas with overhangs greater than 60 degrees, so we definitely need support. To do this, we select the bar on the upper right side of the screen and scroll down to the panel that reads Support. By clicking on the panel, a Generate Support option appears, and we have to check the box for support structures to be added. The support structures are only visible when we slice our model and enter the layer view as seen here. By clicking the gear icon next to support, you can see that there are a lot of options for modifying your support structures. Due to the time constraint of this video, I will go over some of the main features, and if you ever have any questions, you can always ask a BeAM staff member on duty. In the 3D printers we have at BeAM, we use a single extrusion printer, so we ignore the support extruder option. The support placement option is important, as the setting defines where the support structure is printed. By choosing the touching build plate option, the support material is only printed from the build plate up, and by selecting everywhere, the support material is printed below every part that needs support, which means that it can also be placed on or inside a model. You need to consider whether there are internal components in your model, as they may be covered by support if you selected the everywhere option. Depending on your model, you may be unable to remove the support, so it is important to consider which option to choose. With my bridge here, it is safe to choose the everywhere option, as I can easily remove any support structures in between my model once the printing is done. By clicking the gear button once more, we can look at the other options, and for the support overhang angle option, it is important to have the support overhang at 60 degrees, as it is the angle we discussed earlier. This means that the software will add support to overhangs at any angle greater than 60. By clicking the gear icon once more, we can activate the support density option, and the support density option enables you to change the density of the support structures. A higher density value will lead to a stronger support and a better print quality, but these will be more difficult to remove afterwards and take more time to print as well. The last option that I'm going to cover is the support wall line count. By clicking the gear icon, we can activate it right here, and by pressing close, we can interact with it. The support wall is printed around the support pattern, and this wall adds strength to the outer parts of the support structure to improve reliability, and the line count gives you the option to control the thickness of the wall. However, this does make it harder to remove the support after the print. Thanks for listening.